Westermans here again with a little escco plasma or TechServe plasma that's just came in. It's got the 85 Hypertherm power max, torch height control. That is a water table which is 2.5 by 1.250, so an 8x4 sheet. Little jog on the actual machine, and cross torch up and down, which, let's have a look there. Torch movement up too far on that one, and bring the torch back over here. Machine is being sold as seen. Can be serviced to order if required at additional cost, but the machine has just arrived and will be turned round, so grab a deal. Thank you for looking.